Hey, today I am talking about these Hartt Shoe Company ammo boots. I couldn't be more excited about these. First off, I love sharing about Canadian companies, and Hartt is a long-standing, high-quality footwear manufacturer that's been around since 1898. A really impressive history there. Second, I had a pair of Hartt wingtip dress shoes back in high school that I absolutely loved. This is long before I knew anything about them and, got interested in all the components and construction methods, which I think is kind of neat because, even if you don't know about some of those materials and that, there are just certain products that don't need an explanation. You can just hold it, wear it, and know that it's next level. And Hartt really fits in that place in the market where you hit that, true luxury that's emphasizing quality and longevity. It reminds me a lot of the luxury watchmaking world where the luxury lies in the quality of the product, not just the, brand or the legacy and heritage of a brand. It's kind of all encompassing, which is also what they have there at Hartt, and is maintained by the product. So I'll get into the boots in a sec, but as you can see by the unboxing, the presentation is top notch. You got the nice branded box, extra laces, some care tips there, and something really awesome. They've got the shoe trees included, branded cedar shoe trees, which is amazing. I always store my boots with shoe trees in when I'm not wearing them. You've got really nice silk lined cloth shoe bags that are super nice. Just some really nice added bonuses here. The boots, as mentioned, are the ammo boot, which are inspired by the military boots that Hartt used to manufacture for the Canadian military during World War II, but they've updated some of the features for daily use. These boots are built on a rubber-studded half sole with a paired top lift on the heel. The grip is excellent. It's stitched to the leather outsole with a 270-degree Goodyear welt. The stitch density is really high, but also really even and well done. There is a leather midsole as well, which is great. More support and also more layers for my foot to imprint into with wear. The heel stack is also super nice. You've got some nice contrasting leather lifts in there that look great. Also, just the height of the heel gives a nice balance to the design of the boot. The finishing on all the leather is really well done. The insole is also leather, just tons of natural components in these. Plus that leather insole is my personal preference, so I'm really glad for that. They tend to start off a little rigid underfoot, but over time it's perfect for my feet and I find them more comfortable with wear than a synthetic insole. These boots are lined with a calfskin lining. It's nice and comfortable, but doesn't make the boot overly stiff or heavy. These are really light and feel good to wear for the day. The uppers are made from a really nice black oiled leather. It doesn't mention the tannery other than being from a premium European leather. It's really nice and hardy. I'll be sure to post some updates on these as time goes on. I love the contrasting white stitching. It looks phenomenal. Also just shows off how well done the stitching is. The back strip is also really nice. I really like the design of that they've created here. Hartt Shoes are currently manufacturing their footwear in Europe. These ammo boots are made in Spain, which has a long history of high quality footwear manufacturing, especially with methods like Goodyear welted construction, which is typically associated with the higher end footwear due to its longevity, and also the ability to resole them, because if you're putting this much money into a pair of boots or shoes, you can keep them going for decades. The price, as expected, is on the higher side. I mentioned earlier the comparison to luxury watchmaking, and similarly, you're paying for a lot of different factors, the quality of the components, the construction methods, the quality control, which is impeccable on these. There's not a stitch out of place. And of course, the heritage of a brand like Hartt that's been a mainstay for over 125 years. And with all those little added bonuses you get, like the cedar shoe trees. So with all that, a price tag of 818 Canadian bucks is, again, on the higher side. Google tells me it's around 575 US. But it starts to make a lot of sense as you add up all those different factors that go into something like a pair of Hartt boots. In terms of sizing, I'll give you my experience, but you can always check the link in the description. They've got sizing information on the website. I'm a 9E verging on double E Brannock. My best fitting boots are usually 8.5 double E or triple E, but when wide widths aren't available, a 9D usually works out just fine, which is what I ordered for these. The length is great. They're pretty snug on my wide feet, so I'm going to go get them stretched at the cobbler just a little bit in the forefoot to alleviate some of those areas, but if you're a standard width, you'll have no issue at all. So those are the ammo boots from Hartt Shoe Company, an incredibly well-made pair of boots that can be dressed up or down. So well made that Hartt even has a lifetime guarantee on their Goodyear welted footwear, which is pretty awesome. I did put a link in the description if you're looking for more information, or feel free to leave any questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Okay, thanks so much for checking out the video.